welcome to my channel, the Baking Diva. Well, today I'm excited because remember I always tell you so many Oreos, so little time. Well, of course now there's another limited edition Oreo out and I got my hands on it. This is the Selena Gomez Limited Edition Oreo cookie. I believe this only was released, I think, on the 9th. So it's only been not that many days. Not all the stores have it yet. They're in the process of distributing them. You know where I found this one? On Amazon. I was placing an Amazon order and I said, oh look, they have the Selena Gomez Oreos and they were the same price as they would be in the store. So I ordered them yesterday. They came today. So I'm going to do a taste testing and let you know what I think of these limited edition Oreos. I have my shirt on today. It says perfectly imperfect. That's me. So anyway, before I tell you about Selena's limited edition Oreos, I want to mention a little trivia to you, and I copied it here because I didn't know it, and I thought you might be interested. What the heck, right? First of all, let me just ask you, do you know when the first Oreo was sold? I didn't know. I asked my son, and he knew. Well, he was off by 2 years, but that's still pretty good. I had no clue. The first Oreo was sold on March 6th, 1912. That's a long time ago. And it was sold to a grocer in Hoboken, New Jersey. That's my state. And the Oreo biscuit was renamed, originally it was the Oreo biscuit. It was renamed in 1921 to Oreo sandwich. And then in 1948, the name was changed to Oreo cream sandwich. Can you keep up with it? And then finally in 1974, it became the Oreo chocolate sandwich cookie, and that name has remained to this day. So that's just a little trivia. And one more trivia. Do you know what was the most outrageous Oreo cookie that was made, or that was ever made? I didn't know this at all, and I wouldn't have guessed it. It says it was the Neapolitan. The Neapolitan was inspired by the ice cream. And Oreo launched this limited edition flavor back in 2022. And the Neapolitan Oreo consisted of a waffle cone flavored cookie. I don't remember that. Do you? And 3 flavors of cream: chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. So I guess it was one of their most unique or outrageous Oreos. I just don't remember it. Maybe you do. I don't know. So enough trivia. I think we're going to get back to the cookies because I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, I'm going to insert a couple of pictures and it'll tell you a little bit more about the cookies and what they look like. But according to my notes, and I always have to kind of investigate things before I do a video, Selena's signature chocolate and cinnamon cream Oreo cookies. That's what these are. These are chocolate and cinnamon cream cookies. And the cookies are flavorful. They're, let me get the word right, horchata. Now, I would have probably, it's H-O-R. I probably would have said whore, but it's not. It's horchata inspired sweet snacks featuring, they have a layer of chocolate and cinnamon flavor cream. I like cinnamon. Atop another layer of sweetened condensed milk flavor cream with cinnamon sugar inclusions. sandwiched between, you ready? 2 Oreo chocolate cinnamon flavored wafer cookies. So it sounds pretty good to me. Apparently Selena's signature chocolate and cinnamon cream Oreo cookies are inspired by the superstar, and I guess her love for horchata. Now, do you know what horchata is? Well, it's a drink, and it's a delicious Mexican drink. I remember many years ago, my girlfriend and I, we went to a little town in New Jersey, and we discovered this little Mexican restaurant. You had to go down these stairs, very quaint, old-fashioned street, and there was a Mexican restaurant down there. The food was delicious, and the waiter was talking to us about ordering this drink, and we didn't know much about it, but I said, okay, I'll try it. Well, let me tell you, it was delicious. It was so good, and I think what it was an horchata. Yes. In case you don't know what an horchata is, it's unlike anything else. It's a creamy texture with a balanced sweetness combined, this is what it says, with a gentle hint of cinnamon and vanilla. And it makes it a delightful, refreshing beverage. And when you pair it with a Mexican meal, delicious. So anyway, I gave you a little bit of trivia, and I told you what horchata is, a delicious Mexican drink. Now we're going to get on to the Oreos. Now, according to the cookie brand, the new flavor brings together Selena's passion and fandom into one deliciously dunkable bite. Well, everybody likes to dunk their Oreos, at least I do. Do you? And another thing, and I'm going to put some pictures in for you. In addition to the cookie itself, Gomez created 6 embossments designed with her fans in mind. And including one that spells out, I didn't know this, Selena Tours. I guess her fans are called Selena Tours. And there's also one exclusive cookie, and it's the first time that an Oreo has done this. And it's not on a lot of the Oreos. It's only on maybe, what did they say? One cookie found in maybe every 3 packs. And it's Selena Gomez's signature. And it's marking the first time Oreo ever put an autograph on a cookie. So that's what the company tells us. So this was just released, I told you earlier, like a week ago or less than a week ago. So I may not be the first to get it, but I did the best I could to bring it to you guys. And I love tasting all these new Oreos that come out. Some I like, some I don't. I have a feeling I'm going to like this, but let's open it up and see. So, here we go. It's so funny. Whenever I get something new like this in my house, I have to probably hide it or put my name on it because before I get to go to do the video, they're gone. Others in my house have eaten them. So let me pull the tray out of here. Alrighty. You can see it's in this like burgundy colored, very shiny package. It says Oreo Selena Gomez sandwich cookies. And on the back, and I'll put a picture in for you, it shows how the cookie's made and the different parts of the cookie. All right, so here they are. I'll bring over my little napkin here. So let me take one of these out. Now this one, on this side, it just says Oreo. And she has different designs on the other side. Now this one has her, what do you call those things? Headsets that she uses when she sings or whatever. So there's a headset on that one. Let me see. What's on this one? What is this one? Well, let me tell you, it's very interesting. I'm not sure what it is. Let me see if I can find out for you. Oh, Dolores. Oh, for those of you that are new here, yes. My name is Dolores. I'll put it up there. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, well, let me tell you, smash that button. I am only 5 subscribers away from 10,000. It would make me so happy. I don't know what this is. Does it say on the package? It does say, though, that when they drop the new cookie, they're also dropping a new song with it. I wish I could tell what this is. I'll put it on when I find out. Looks like a heart. No, wait. What is that? Fire? I don't know. I'll let you know later. I'll put it on the screen. What is this one? Oh, this is the one that says Selena Tour. But I'm going to taste one now. They smell good. Here we go. I'm going to open up the cookie. Do you like to eat yours open or closed? Oops. Oh, I see there's 2 layers in here. There's a layer of the, looks like chocolate, and then there's a layer of the white. So, you know what? I'm going to taste it like this first. I should have had my milk with me. You know what I taste in the cream? I taste cinnamon with like a spice in it. I'm not really sure. After you chew it and you swallow it, you get that cinnamon and cream flavor. Let me taste the cookie part. Well, it's good. It's not a sweet chocolate like your regular Oreo. I think it has like that slight cinnamon flavor to the chocolate. I think I'm going to take one of them and eat it together and see if I can give you the true flavor of it. All right. Probably the proper way to taste it. Well, I taste the inside, just tastes like a little bit of cinnamon cream. It has a slight kick to it. It's not real spicy, but a tiny spicy kick to it. And it's sweet, definitely sweet. I think it's good. If you like cinnamon, Now I'm getting all the flavors. Tastes to me like a spicy cinnamon cream Oreo. Maybe that's what it's supposed to taste like. So I think it's good. It's good. It says Selena's chocolate and cinnamon cream cookies. Natural flavor with other natural flavors. So when I swallow it, I get a tiny kick. Not a real spicy kick, but a little one. So I think it's good. I think it would be better dipped in milk because I like to dip my Oreos in milk. So anyway, that's the story. And if you want to give it a try, if you're like me, I always like to try the new Oreos that come out just to see how they are. And this is Selena Gomez's Limited Edition Oreo. So I hope you enjoyed this. When it hits your store, buy a package and give it a try and let me know what you think. So thanks for stopping by and watching. I like to put a little of this and a little of that on my channel. Keeps it interesting. And like I say, if you like this, give me a thumbs up, make a comment. If you've already tried these cookies, let me know what you think. Let me know if you liked them and what you think they tasted like. And love you all. I appreciate you. And I will see you all very soon. Toodles! Now I'm going to go get some milk and finish my cookie.